Welcome everyone to the Knoebels Haunted Mansion. Welcome to the special guest of this video, the Welcomer. This is sponsored by Knoebels Amusement Resort at Amiesburg, Pennsylvania. This is the preview of the Knoebels Haunted Mansion, but version in the 1999. This version will contain old things from the original one before they added all the new things. There might be some new things, so keep a watch. Like I'm back. You never know when I scare the brain. Or anything like that. I come back. You never know. I'm gonna get you. Roar! I hope you guys liked that ride. Now it's time for the behind the scenes. So over here we got the welcomer. It triggers from this switch. And there he is. And he normally says, "Welcome." And then once another car comes in, it would say, "Welcome." But now you hear a screaming after it. Oh, it might be hard to hear it, but it still says it. Alright, we got our wizard. And the bookshelf collapses. All these cool paintings. We got Ruth and Frankenstein. This is all custom made by me. We got the organ player. I got the snake and the clock. We got this guy. Over here, there's a trigger that will activate a scrim, and you pull down on it. There's two triggers. I don't know what trigger this does. Okay, that trigger does those two, does a cooldown on both. So yeah, you got the skull room. This triggers the skull light. And this is the upstairs where you can go up. Oh my god, now they'll do this. And then the light will switch on. The light is hidden somewhere. Up here. It's right there. We got the sensor that puts the light on here. And there's a cool feature. Where did that come from? Where's the booping sensor for that? Is there a sensor? It's somewhere up here. I don't know, it might be hidden up there. Yes, this thing turns on. Oh, there's a cool trick. If you go in the dark, you can tell that light bulb will flash to show the lightning. We have a couple cool props. The skull room, the original skull room from the 50th anniversary. This part was in the 19-somethings. They removed him. He used to be. But he's not even in the thing anymore. They used to have this guy. You have that thing. Yeah, with the monster. Yes, there's a cloud that comes down. It's a real life ride. You got Ishmael, he comes out of his coffin, he like pops up. There's like a sound. And the truck, it's gonna give you a warning, like you're gonna get run over. It'll be like, It's pretty loud. I got the ape. There's supposed to be a monster here. I don't even add him. He'd make that roar sound. And yeah, that's the thing. I'll give you a tour of what it looks like with the lights off. Whoa, whoa. Wow, wow, wow. And we got there's supposed to be someone in the chair over there. There's a ramp that goes down here. It'll take you down. So yeah. It might not look like you're going up in the actual ride, but you are actually going up. It just doesn't show it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching our day. Subscribe, like, and yeah. Peace.